Connected resistance and redefining activism, the discursive value of mobile protesting in Jamaica. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Using experiences in protesting in Jamaica, the current study highlights the discursive values of mobile phones for protesting. Drawing on a qualitative descriptive approach that fuses case study and discourse analysis, the original findings illustrated how protesters valued mobile smartphones as both effective and efficient tools for various aspects of protesting compared to traditional brick-and-mortar techniques. Respondents noted that smartphones enable deeper engagement with broader audiences through meaningful, real-time dialogue. Mobile phones were described as effective because of their immediacy and interactivity, surpassing the limitations of placards and roadblocks. Allowing protesters to disseminate information rapidly, respond to inquiries, and mobilize support without geographical constraints. They were also described as efficient because they reach a wide cross-section of society instantaneously, leveraging multiple communication channels such as messaging apps, social media, and email. In light of current technological advancements, including the popular integration of AI features into mobile devices, these findings suggest that digital protests may become increasingly data-driven and personalized. Introduction. This study explores how young people in Jamaica are using mobile phones, especially smartphones, to protest against unfair treatment and violations of the law, such as when people are not treated equally. This new form of activism, called mobile protesting or M-protesting, allows individuals to use technology like phones, apps, and social media to raise awareness, organize actions, and challenge powerful institutions. While much has been written about how mobile phones are used in protests around the world, this research focuses on something new. The discursive value, or how the messages, language, and symbols used in mobile protests shape people's views, create shared meanings, and influence social change. The study used a combination of case study and discourse analysis to deeply examine the messages shared by protesters and how they used their phones to mobilize and express themselves. Data was collected from newspaper articles, blog posts, social media, interviews, meeting notes, and even the apps used by the protesters. 17 youth activists were interviewed, representing the majority of those using phones to protest in Jamaica. By analyzing their words, images, and actions, the study found that mobile phones are more than just tools, they are powerful platforms for telling stories, building identity, and demanding justice. This research helps us understand how digital communication can empower people, especially in places where traditional forms of protest may be less effective or riskier. It offers valuable insights for activists, policymakers, and anyone interested in how technology shapes modern-day protest. Conclusion. This study looked at how young Jamaicans use smartphones to protest unfair treatment and promote justice. It found that mobile phones are powerful tools for organizing, sharing messages, and raising awareness. Protesters see them as fast, effective, and accessible. However, not everyone has equal access to this technology, and the use of artificial intelligence raises concerns about privacy, surveillance, and fairness. While mobile protesting can help amplify voices and push for change, it also brings new risks. Future efforts should focus on making digital activism more inclusive, safe, and fair for everyone involved. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.